So welcome to this wonderful YouTube channel. My name is Paul, as usual, which you known already on my WhatsApp group. Okay, I don't talk rubbish. That is one thing you must understand. In fact, the reason why I'm making this video is that I really want to use this video to help a lot of people who are still doubting what affiliate marketing is and how it can change their life. Okay, I started affiliate marketing a few months ago and I've been seeing the result massively, like seriously, not what I expected though. I bought the course actually, but I didn't use what I watched on the course. Okay, I tried a different method from a YouTube channel video which I watched. Okay, that is what I'm about to unveil to you. Okay, a lot of people are still doubting if affiliate marketing is still working or not working. Brother or sister, let me tell you, if you're watching this video, affiliate marketing is one of the best skills to make money online while sitting at home, all while you are still in school. Look, it can give you money you never expected to see. In fact, you can even quit your 9 to 5 job. Okay, now the job I was doing before, they pay me 50,000 naira here in Lagos. Actually, the job I was doing, okay, I quit the job doing affiliate marketing. I was making, let's say, 60k inside, 40k sometimes let's say 100, but right now I'm making up to 200k. Okay, that is what I'm about to show you now. Right now, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, please stick to this video to the end, because I'm going to unveil everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how it really works and how you can make money. And that is how I was able to generate this particular sales you are seeing on my screen right now, and this particular sales you are seeing here right now. Okay, I made this money in less than 1 month, just one freaking month. Okay, if you applied everything I'm about to give to you in this video, you will also make the same result I am making right now. So welcome to this channel. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, because I drop free updates on online skill on how to make money from it. Okay, that is what this channel is all about. So please kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Okay, drop your comments, drop your questions on the comment section, and I will answer you 247. Okay, I'm not snubbing anybody, just drop it there, I will answer your questions. So first of all, welcome to this masterclass. And listen, if you want to start affiliate marketing, okay, one thing you need to understand about affiliate marketing is that is you promoting other people product online. If you get sales, you gain 50 commission, and there are free sites I'm going to show you which you're going to use by what? Signing up and promoting their affiliate link. And first of all, before you do that, you need to understand what affiliate marketing really is. Like I said, affiliate marketing is you taking other people product, introducing it to other people. When people buy, you gain your commission in it. Look, I should tell something. You have done affiliate marketing once, yes. Let's say there was a time you went to eat a particular biscuit in a particular store, so you were trying to introduce the biscuit to your friend, like, oh, this biscuit sweet, or buy this biscuit, or buy this thing is sweet. That process of your friend buying it, you have already done affiliate marketing. You have already introduced somebody product to your friend, then that your friend have bought that product. That is affiliate marketing. So the same thing with this thing I'm about to teach you. So if you want to start affiliate marketing, one thing you must pick is what? A niche. Yes, you don't just promote link randomly online. Yes, you must pick a niche. And what is niche? Niche is you focusing on one particular place. Let's say, for example, a health niche, a finance niche. Yes, you want to talk about finance, or you want to promote finance affiliate link, or health affiliate link, or anything. Is it education, parenting, just name it. There are a lot of niche online. You can just pick one, then sign up in a particular free platform like seller.com or Nesthuge. Yes, Nesthuge site allows you to create your site, then promote affiliate link for free, but seller only charges 3,000 naira per year. But I will advise you to use Nesthuge. Okay, now listen, pick a niche, then create content around that niche. Yes, let's say you are building a personal brand now. That process of building the personal brand now, after educating people on that particular niche you are, then introduce your link to them, or introduce that particular product to them. Immediately they buy that product, you have gained commission. Now, it's not all about promoting links. Okay, and I want to show you how to make the sales quickly. Number one, you don't need a lot of platform to start making sales, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, be everywhere. No, you don't need all this thing. You only need to pick two platforms. Like me, the one I would recommend to you, which I use, I only use three, which is Twitter, Facebook page, Twitter, blogger.com, and Pinterest. That two sites. Okay, I post pin on Pinterest, then from there drive traffic to my blog site. That blog site now is like a free lead magnet. I put my email sequence there, so whenever people read my blog post and they found it interesting, I kept a call to action there that if you're interested to know more, about this particular stuff, click this button to get this particular thing. So immediately they click that link, it automatically take them to my affiliate link digital product, okay, or it take them to my email sign up. Immediately they sign up, I take that email, they take the free lead magnet I have for them, then I send them email every morning. Okay, if you want to learn how to start email marketing as an affiliate marketer, if you really want to, drop it on the comment section. I will create a video about it, and then I will show you the free tool and the free site to use and how to set it up. Just drop it on the comment section, that please, the email stuff on the comment section, then I will create it for you. It's a separate video for that. So that is it. But there is a way I use Pinterest. Okay, I gave myself 90 days challenge. A 90 days challenge is 3 months, which I post consistently. Right now, trust me, man, I've seen the results. If I Pinterest, drive traffic to my blog, and trust me, most of my audience are US. Okay, most of my audience are US, Canada, Australia, these kind of things. I hardly see Nigeria at my blog site and my Pinterest site too, seriously. So these people click my link and get my affiliate product, okay, and even sign up to my email list. Okay, that is what I used to generate this particular sales you are seeing on the screen right now. Okay, I generate that sales every month from Pinterest and blog sites. In fact, Twitter does not even generate lead magnet. Twitter only drive people to my blog site to read my blog post. But the main thing I see on my dashboard, on my Nestune dashboard, is that the people who bought my product are coming from what? Blog sites. Okay, so blog sites is like you now, and warming them, in fact giving them a free guide. After they read it, you can use AI to generate a blog site. Very, very simple. But there is a method on which I use in getting US audience. Trust me, if it is only Nigeria people reading your content, you can't get sales. Okay, but there is a way, there is a pattern I use in getting US audience attention. That is why I kept that thing inside this book you are seeing in the screen. This book is just 1,500 naira. 1,500 now. By next month now, I will upgrade to 10,000 naira. Okay, this book on the screen will really guide you. Everything I use in getting this result are inside this book. So if you need this ebook, kindly click the link on the description and go to myseller.com, or if you don't see it on the description, check my bio, you will see the seller store there. Click and get the book. 1,500. From next month it will be upgraded to 10,000 naira. So that is the same thing. See, you don't just create an account on Pinterest and gain the result. No, there is a way I use. Okay, first of all, you have to upgrade to business account instantly. Okay, but posting only will not help you. Okay, except you see this method I use. I'm telling you the fact, you can post on that in December, you are not going to gain the result, except you have your own stuff you want to use. But for me, the particular method I use from the course I bought from this white man, a white man sold this course for me. Okay, I bought the course from a white man, $20, just $20. Converted to Nigerian currency, you know the kind of money. That was my full salary I used in getting that particular product, that particular online course. So that this white man now, I kept everything inside this digital ebook, this ebook. Okay, if you get this ebook for 1,500, it will really help you a lot. So affiliate marketing is very, very simple. Get a niche, sign up to a free site, Nestune, Seller, this kind of stuff. Start promoting product, or even generate your own product with cloudai.com. Okay, so if you really found this video helpful and you really want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make sales, sorry I didn't drop the full details just to cut the video short. I will drop the part 2 tomorrow. If you really need the part 2, kindly put it on the comment section. Please, the part 2. Okay, I'll drop it on how to use your blogger.com, how to post inside, how to generate blog post, and how to add link. I already have video for that. If you want it, if you want me to post it on YouTube, kindly drop it on the comment section. Please post the blog video. I'll drop everything for you. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video and drop your comments. If you find this helpful, please save and share this video to people who want to learn affiliate marketing or sell digital products online. I love you guys. See you in my next video.